In a city known for its blazing summers, unpredictable storms, and fast-growing neighborhoods, Dallas homeowners are always looking for smart ways to improve their homes. One of the most popular upgrades in recent years has been the switch to energy-efficient vinyl windows, and for good reason. These modern windows combine style, performance, and durability to help homeowners stay comfortable while cutting energy costs. Whether you're renovating an older home or building new, upgrading to vinyl windows can transform how your home looks and feels, especially in Texas's unique climate. Designed for Dallas's hot, sunny climate, Dallas is known for its long, hot summers where temperatures often reach the high 90s and beyond. Unfortunately, older aluminum or wood windows often struggle to keep out the heat, leading to higher energy bills and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient vinyl windows are designed to handle the Texas heat. Their multi-chambered frames provide natural insulation, while low emissivity glass coatings reflect sunlight and prevent infrared heat from entering your home. Many also feature argon gas fills between panes, which help block heat transfer even further. The result? Your home stays cooler in summer, your air conditioner doesn't have to work as hard, and you enjoy lower monthly utility costs. 2. Saving energy and money year-round. Vinyl windows aren't just great for summer, they're built for all seasons. During the mild Dallas winters, these windows help trap heat indoors, keeping your home comfortable without overworking your furnace. In fact, according to Energy Star, homeowners who replace outdated single-pane windows with energy-efficient models can save hundreds of dollars annually on heating and cooling costs. Over time, that adds up to thousands in savings, all while reducing your home's environmental impact. Because vinyl windows are highly resistant to warping, corrosion, and air leaks, they maintain their energy efficiency for decades with minimal maintenance. Durability that stands up to Texas weather. From spring thunderstorms to the occasional hail or high winds, Dallas weather can be unpredictable. Vinyl windows are an excellent choice for this environment because they're strong, weather-resistant, and built to last. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't rot, peel, or absorb moisture. Unlike metal, it doesn't conduct heat or rust. This means your windows continue performing well, even after years of sun exposure and seasonal temperature changes. Modern vinyl frames also come with fusion-welded corners and tight seals that prevent air and water infiltration. That means no more drafts, no more condensation buildup, and no more swelling frames when the weather changes. Low maintenance and long-lasting appeal. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows is how easy they're to maintain. You don't need to scrape, paint, or refinish them, ever. Their color is built into the material, meaning it won't chip or fade, even under the intense Dallas sun. Cleaning is just as simple. Many vinyl window designs feature tilt-in sashes that make it easy to wipe down both the inside and outside surfaces from inside your home. This makes them ideal for busy homeowners who want a modern, attractive look without the constant upkeep. Enhancing curb appeal and home value. Energy-efficient vinyl windows don't just perform well, they look great, too. Available in a variety of colors, finishes, and styles, they can complement any type of Dallas architecture, from classic ranch homes in East Dallas to sleek modern builds in Uptown. Because they improve both appearance and performance, vinyl window upgrades add significant resale value. Homebuyers today look for energy-efficient, low-maintenance features, making this one of the most rewarding home improvements you can make. Final thoughts. For homeowners in Dallas, energy-efficient vinyl windows are a smart investment that offers long-term rewards, from lower energy bills and greater comfort to enhanced beauty and durability. Designed to handle Texas's demanding climate, these windows keep homes cool in summer, cozy in winter, and efficient year-round. With professional installation, you can enjoy the benefits of modern vinyl windows for decades, all while adding value, comfort, and curb appeal to your Dallas home. If you're ready to make your home more comfortable and cost-efficient, it's time to explore how energy-efficient vinyl window replacement can transform your living space, one pane at a time.